type of houses, looking over the Cotai Strip, walking down the old firecracker factory, walking down Rua do Supico, and I'm feeling super fine. Superbock in hand, under the Macau sunshine. Got super views and super brews. Got super everything, and I got a Superbock too. Walking down Rua do Supico, and I'm feeling super fine. And I'm feeling super fine. Superbock in hand of the Macau sunshine. Got super views and super brews. Got super everything, and I got a Superbock too. Walking down Rua do Supico, and I'm feeling super fine. And I'm feeling super fine. Superbock in hand of the Macau sunshine. Love these super cool type of museum houses, and I love that super cool firecracker factory too. Love this walk, and I kinda like this Superbock too. Walking down Rua do Supico, and I'm feeling super fine. And I'm feeling super fine. Superbock in hand of the Macau sunshine. So take a stroll, feel the super vibe on Rua do Supico. It makes you feel super alive.
Here's a little road that looks a little bit unusual at first, but actually quite interesting because it follows up this little space and it goes by these colonial houses, and you can overlook all these casinos down that way. But what we're gonna do in this particular video is we're going to walk over there, and then we're gonna walk down this way, and you can see Taipa Central, all the tall buildings over that way as well. And yeah, so that's basically our plan right now. So stay tuned to see about this one, a little slice of Taipa, and we're going to be connecting two different worlds. 3 actually. I'll tell you more about it. Rua do Supico in Taipa. So this is kind of a cool street. I'll put it up on the map, but it's between the Taipa museum houses and the Firecracker Museum, and that one of them is reclaimed land, so now you can see the casinos on one side, and the other is now what was a factory, and now it's a museum that people can walk around in. So this is a street that connects the two. So it's cobblestone streets, and it's kind of interesting. And I was trying to research exactly where the name Supico comes from, and I couldn't find it. There wasn't really any information. I'm pretty curious. So I just created a fun song with it. I used the word su, like Supico, and Superbock, beer, and just kind of put a bunch of superlatives of super in it. And I created the lyrics just playing around, and then I found another program. I created that, and I found a program to put it into a genre of music. So that's basically where the music comes from. I'll put that up on the back behind me, so you've probably already been seeing it coming down the screen. And let's just get into the walk and talk, where you can hear me kind of talk about what I'm seeing around me and kind of explaining the street a little bit. Anyways, another cool one of Macau. Super cool one. Supico with a Superbock. So I guess first thing we're going to do is we're going to bring the camera over there, and you can see these pastel greenhouses all the way down. And we're going to go all the way down that way, and then you can also see the street that we're going to be focusing on right here. So yeah, these are the type of houses. I think they're getting set up for Lusophonia. They have an event. But yeah, these type of houses right here, they'll have this kind of this Lusophonia, which is like Portuguese from different countries, like, you know, Angola, Goa, Mozambique. And they'll play live music right here. But from this spot right here, you can oversee the casinos. Especially at nighttime, they're all lit up, look real nice. Galaxy Casino, Venetian Casino, Londoner. And then also you have this nice hill. Let me kind of walk back. Yeah, they're getting all set up. So Lusophonia will have stuff in these tents too. But that's kind of beyond the scope of this particular video. But I'm going to be filming that later. But what we're going to be filming is that street straight ahead. So let me just kind of try to capture this properly. So these homes right here, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these 5 homes overlooked the ocean. So in the past, these would have overlooked that ocean right there. But now it's all reclaimed land. So now it's Kotai. So they took Taipa, where we're at, and they created a manufactured land. And then that manufactured land became Kotai, and they built the casinos there. But at one time, this would have also overlooked the ocean as well. And actually, these walls can kind of look like they're kind of built for maybe water could have came up that high, maybe, I don't know. Okay, so what we're doing now is we're connecting 2 worlds. So that would have been where the ocean would have been. And then there's a park up that way. And straight ahead is called Taipa Central. So that's where we're going to be walking next. Yeah, this is all. When they have Lucifonia, they'll have, there's like a playground up there now, but I think historically that probably would have been more for defense, so they could overlook the ocean. There's another one. Huh. So usually in the past you would go down that way, but they just built this new path right here. Oh, that's really cool. So this is actually brand new, this little path right here. So usually you would follow that road down that way. Huh. Let's follow the new path because if somebody's a little bit new to the channel, or I mean, if somebody is a lot of the viewers have been in here, they know Macau well. They might be kind of surprised to see that this is all new. Pretty sunny and bright right now though. That right there is a firecracker museum factory. Let's get out of the sun a little bit. So that right there is a firecracker museum. So we're just going to stay in our target street. So I'm going to go up to it from over here. Try not to get sidetracked at all. This is kind of new. They put up some new artwork here. This wasn't here before. So we're going to continue because this is actually where the rest of the road comes up right here. So we just stopped the camera. Oh, there's some more artwork right there. But that's beyond this one. We're going to go up because we have to kind of show you where this all connects. But this, let me just kind of, actually the lighting is like better over on this side. So you can see that. Yeah, actually I should have went down this alley because the lighting is better. But so we came down that way over there, and then that actually has a different that is all new, but this is all old, so you can see these nice original walls. Then we had the deviation right here. So anyways, Supico, probably mispronounced that. And then up that way if we went up a little bit, you can actually get up to that hill. There's actually a lot of trails. You can overlook the airport, all kinds of cool stuff. And I don't think there's any spot where I can get a taste of that unless I walk beyond the scope of our street. So okay, so that was Supico. Yeah, the lighting is better going this way. So let's try to imagine, so the ocean would have been there, and then you kind of have this fortress here, and then some different walls coming down, and then you would have this firecracker factory right here. So that's kind of the basic layout historically. All right.
Walking down the old firecracker factory, walking down Route to Superbock, and I'm feeling super fine. Superbock in hand, under the Macau sunshine.